Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable bass boost for your earbuds QCY Buds ANC. You have to start by open QCY application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see this menu. Then you need to go to the sounds at the middle top, and right here we have heavy bass, so you need to tap on it, and we just selected bass boost, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.